Hello guys, this is Sam from GHLSaaskits, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a slider for your GoHighLevel page. And you already know that in our YouTube channel we already have couple of different types of slider video, and all the slider needed to upload your images. So those are the image based slider. Okay, so you needed to upload your image into a GoHighLevel or anywhere, and then just copy those links and add to your code. Okay, all those image links. But this slider that I'm going to show you today is totally different than all previous sliders code we have. So you can say it in new version of the slider for GoHighLevel, and let me show you the demo of the slider first so that you can see how it works. Okay, so you can see now here is a slider we have in our page. So this slider is actually made by using native GoHighLevel page elements like the image, subject line, description, and buttons. Okay, and there are no need to upload your image somewhere else or into GoHighLevel media library and copy those link and put to your slider. Okay, you don't need to do this. So let me show you how we can make this type of slider. Okay, so let me go back to the GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so into this page builder, it's pretty much blank. Okay, it's pretty much blank. All we just have this logo and a headline. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you that for this slider we are using a sliding library called Slick Slider. Okay, and for Slick Slider we are using this version of the slide, but you may know that Slick Slider already have many different types of slider. Okay, so in our case we are going to use this one. Okay, so it will scroll every image or every slides if you click this arrow button, and we also add the functionality to automatically scroll. So if you like to make the auto scroll, then you can do, otherwise you can turn that off. Okay, so let me go back to the GoHighLevel, and now I'm going to add a full width section, and inside this section I'm going to take a 3-column row. So it can be 3 column, it can be 4, 5, 6, whatever. Okay, so in my case I'm going to add a 3-column row, and inside each of the row I'm going to put some information like the image, then let me put subject line, paragraph, and a button. Okay, and let me put some margin top and bottom for the paragraph, and let me turn this image to a circle image. Okay, so let me put the height and width. Okay, so now it's circled image, and let me put a background color for this, and for this column also I'm going to add a background. Okay, and also I'm going to make it the border radius. Okay, so let's say 10 pixel radius is fine. So it looks nice now, right? We also can redesign the button. Okay, so we can use all default GoHighLevel page builder functionalities to design our slides. Okay, and this way I'm going to make 6 different slides. Okay, so let me do it quickly. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video, and once I will build all those, I will get back to you. Okay, so okay, we already added all 6 slides and a JavaScript code element. Okay, so how you can do this? Just click this plus button, and then take this custom JS and HTML. Okay, just take this and then click on it and edit. Okay, so I added the code, but no worries, okay, I will show you how you can make changes into the code. Okay, so before that, we need to do something like, let me open the code editor. Okay, so into the code editor we have a variable. Okay, so it's just the array of variable. Okay, so here we added all the columns CSS ID. How you will get that? So for each of this column, you know how GoHighLevel page is structure. So this is the section of this page, and inside the section we have a row which is the blue color. Okay, you see here the blue one, and then each of the row has 3 different columns. Okay, so the columns are pink color. Okay, that's it. So once you click this gear icon and go to advanced, it will give you this CSS ID. Okay, so it's called CSS selector, but this is the unique ID for each of the column. Okay, so each of them have this CSS ID. Okay, like this. If I go to this one and advanced, then I can see this. So I just copied these IDs and I added this here. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Let me copy and then go back to our code and then just replace this with our new elements. Okay, all the IDs I just copied, I just pasted here. And now a few more things you need to know to use this slider. Okay, so as we already added all the columns CSS ID, and now we need to define few things like how many slides we want to show by default in our page. Okay, so in this case I added 3, so it will show 3 slides by default, and slides to scroll, it will be 1. Like each time it will scroll 1 single slides, and this is the scrolling speed. Okay, so if you turn the autoplay on, then it will automatically keep scrolling to the next slide. So you can speed up the slides or you can speed down. Okay, and you can also set the autoplay true or false. Okay, the true means it will keep auto playing. Okay, so auto scrolling. But if you keep just stop the auto scrolling, then you can just make it false. Okay, just say false. Okay, this will actually turn your slide static. So when someone click on the arrow, then it will go to the next slides. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay, so if I click this arrow, it's sliding, right? So it will not auto scroll. Once someone click this arrow, it will be sliding. So that is we say here true or false. So in my case, I'm going to keep it true. Okay, and then one more thing you need to know, that this slider is already mobile friendly. Okay, so you can just adjust based on your requirement. Like in my case, I added 1 slides at a time for the mobile version to show, and it will keep auto scrolling for the next slide. Okay, but if you want to show 2 slides into the mobile screen, then you can make it 2. Okay, but I think 1 slide is pretty good. And this is the changes you need to know here. Okay, for this code. And let me save it. You also need to add some custom CSS. Okay, so here is the CSS. I'm just going to copy, and you will add all the CSS into your custom CSS code. Okay, let me delete everything and paste the code. Okay, so this is the CSS code you need to add. And then one more thing you need to do, like just come to your settings and tracking code, and into the header code I'm going to put this code. Okay, so this is actually the CDN style sheet for the slick slider, and we also have the icon like the left arrow, right arrow. That's why we are using the font awesome. Okay, so this is the font awesome heading code. Okay, so this will actually show the arrow icon. Okay, so now everything looks good. So one more thing, let's say we don't want to show these into our page, right? So we need to just hide them, and then we just need to keep these elements, the HTML JavaScript elements here. Let me save it, and then I'll preview it like this, and then okay, so now you can see that that's it. Okay, so you can see the slider is working just fine, and if we click here, then it will also work. Okay, if we click the arrow, then it will also work, but it will keep auto scrolling. Okay, so you can see the auto scrolling. Let me reload the page. Okay, then it's fine. Okay, and now you can create a slider by using your GoHighLevel page element. You don't need to upload images here and there and copy the links or anything else. Okay, so this is the new version of the slider, and I think this will be the better one. I think it's the best one, right, in our page. So that's it for this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please feel free to like and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And because we are going to make this type of video and this type of code snippet for GoHighLevel. And one more thing I want to mention here, this course are the premium course. Okay, so if you like to get this, then you can contact me, or you can go to the link you will find into the description of this video, and you can get this from there. Okay, and also one more thing, if you are a GHLMax user, okay, so which is actually the GoHighLevel. Okay, so if you are the GHLMax users, then you will get all this code for free. Or if you join through our affiliate link to GoHighLevel, then you will also get all those codes for free. Okay, and that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.